In the Syllabus module, there is an individual topic page for each component of your syllabus. You may edit these topic pages or delete and upload an accessible printable version, such as a PDF. Keep in mind the syllabus is really a study guide for students. Therefore, including these components will be helpful. For example, under Course Facilitator, provide students with your contact information, including your preferred email address. Use Course Mail if you want to keep communication within the Brightspace course site. Give students other options, as some may prefer to chat via phone or even contact you through your MUN email address to discuss more personal or private matters. Also, share a photo and introduce yourself. Include a course description, which could be the description in the university calendar, along with some insight into the relevance of course material and the significant learning experiences. List learning outcomes that outline what students should expect to accomplish as a result of taking this course. Prepare a statement about student accommodations. Describe the course format. For example, the course will include virtual class sessions, group work, and independent study. State the course resources, such as the name of the textbook, whether an older version can be used, and how to obtain a copy, and readings on reserve at the library. Summarize course assessments and include a description of each assessment component along with grading criteria, options for completion, and policies related to late or missed assignments. There is a separate module for you to add a course schedule for the entire semester, so students can see at a glance what is expected. It will help students plan and prioritize and guide your instruction. Again, you can choose to use the pre-formatted topic page to add your specific week-by-week content topics and activities and assignments, along with due dates, or delete this page and upload your own.